Welcome to today's video. We're doing lip monthly for December. Keep looking at you. If you want to see what we got in December's lip monthly, sit back, take a break with us. So if you don't know, this is Chaos Break. Welcome. I'm Amy.
I'm Amanda.
And we like to do lots of makeup related things, subscription boxes, trying new things, being random. That was a beautiful face I just made there. It was beautiful.
For practicing?
Yes. So Lip Monthly, if you don't know, is a monthly subscription. It's $12 a month. You get, what is it, three? Is it three lip products plus another one?
I don't remember.
It's $12 a month. This is only my second month like getting it. Comes in a little bag. The bag's cute.
I got it for a while and I quit. Might start again someday.
Alright. So I liked last month. This month is just says Merry Christmas.
I know what's in your bag now.
Oh.
Don't read it.
Well, I didn't think last month that it had that on there.
They don't always.
Well, are you going to tell the values?
Yep, sure.
Alright, first thing I got is from Bella Pierre. I have mixed feelings. I have a couple things from Bella Pierre, and I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know either. I have the liquid lipsticks now.
Yeah, a hard time with it. It's dry, and I have something else I can't remember. So this is matte lipstick in the shade Nude.
$20.
This is what it looks like.
Where I have that. I'm pretty sure I have
The color's really pretty. Excuse us, we got all the kids today, so you'll hear them in the background.
They're actually being very quiet.
Yeah. Alright, next in my bag, I have from Laritzi Cosmetics lipsticks.
$20.
In the shade Gala. If I can open it. What is going on here with my hair? Oh my gosh. Huh. This is what it looks like.
Oh, hey, Lip Monthly has a new rewards program.
Oh,
Earn points
wow.
by referring friends.
It's very red.
Oh.
It's kind of pretty. I have red lipstick on.
I was going to say, it kind of looks like what you have on, so.
These are one of those ones that you bought from Ulta. That set thing, the pretty package one.
Just don't wear red.
I don't know, I don't usually, but I did today. Next thing I have is from, is it Noya?
Noya?
Noya? So it's organic, and it is spearmint. I guess I'm just lip balm. It
Lip
doesn't really
balm,
say.
$3.49.
Huh.
I feel like the price is right.
Yeah. That's, oh. You thought the price was correct.
No.
That's
But
cool.
I'm sure it is.
Alright, last thing in here is... What?
Sorbet.
Treatment Cosmetics.
It says lip liner.
Smear proof lip liner.
$13.
In the shade Decaf 12. So, this is $12, I think, plus shipping, and this says it has a total value of $56.49. I like that they added it for me. This is what the lip liner looks like.
This says 1, 2, 3.
I know. So, I don't know.
I think I have this one.
You do?
I'm pretty sure.
I feel like this would have been, the only thing that would have made this a little bit better, maybe, is if, like, this lip liner went with something in the bag. So I guess you apparently get 4 items.
Let me see the lip liner color. Oh.
So that just is weird to me. Like, I feel like it should have went with something in the bag. But, huh.
I thought they usually did one thing that wasn't lip related.
I got those lip masks last month, but I don't know. I have it for 6 months, so be able to kind of get a better idea of what I think. But, I mean, for $12 though, this is pretty good.
What do you know about this brand? Do you know a lot?
Mm-mm.
I know the first time we found it was at,
TJ Maxx.
yeah.
Yeah. But, huh. I don't know.
I don't know if I would say the value is $56 for that, but I mean.
I don't know.
I mean, $1.
I have to try them out and see what they're like. I'm curious to see what this will feel like on the lips. I already have red on, but...
Why does it feel bad in your hand?
Yeah. It's creamy. It doesn't feel too sticky.
And that's that one?
Yeah, it's just kind of a different
Oh,
know.
rub them and see if they smudgy.
They do. Oh, no, I can't touch this. Yeah. They,
I think it
all
looks the
smudged.
best to me.
Yeah. It's a pretty holiday color, though. Alright, that was Lip Monthly for December. If you like videos like this, subscribe before you go. We will see you next time. We hope you have a great day. Bye-bye!